Come on, dude, let's go. Waiting.
What are you doing? Just don't touch it.
Unlock the door, dude.
What are you doing? Take your hands off the thing. What are you doing? On the count of 3. Yeah. 1. Put your hands up. Don't even touch the door handle.
Come on, man.
In the air. Above your head.
Yeah.
This is ridiculous. Go back there. No. Back.
Okay.
Back. Back. Keep going.
What? Further?
3 more feet.
Ridiculous. What are you doing? Dude, what are you doing? Unlock the door.
Crawl in the window.
What?
Crawl in the window.
Dude, just unlock the door, man.
Crawl in the window.
Okay, man. Just want some tuna fish tacos.